What's up, YouTube? Today we about to slide to this Crossville meet. So I'm gonna go meet up with my boy, and I guess we're gonna roll out. And I also got a new setup last night, and it's hard, but I ain't gonna show y'all that till next video. So let's get it. Yes, sir. You see it? We loaded up. You see the drip? My boy's Tahoe. You know, I'm over there. Let's do this. Yes, sir. We finally on the way. Got my boy behind me. I'm hyped. I ain't never been to one of these, but they be looking lit on YouTube, so should be lit. So let's go. We just pulling up to this meet. We got here early. It's about 10:20. Got some people back here. Got the line starting. Yes, sir. This should be lit. We unloading the four-wheelers now, boy. It's about to be lit. You see the line? We off in the back. I parked my truck over there, but it's lit. Yo, look at that thing, boy. Woo! Yes, sir. Look at this line. Yes, sir. Got some nice trucks coming in. Ooh, oh my God. That shit pressure, boy. Look at that squat right there. God damn. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Damn. That shit hard. God damn, boy. Yo. Pressure. Yes, sir. Jeep go hard. Shit. I'm ready to see this damn Denali, boy. That thing hard. I was like, look at this thing. Too hard. Too hard. Too hard. Ooh. Damn.
Talk about squatting mine.
Yes, sir. Just an empire. Shoo! That cat eye go hard. Damn. Yes, sir. It's live out here. Got my boy. You know what I'm saying? Twisty baby. And now we're about to go look at some trucks. That shit live, boy. Fucking crazy. God damn. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It look like he gonna get stuck, boy.
It does, doesn't it?
Sling it, boy. You gonna sling it? What are you doing? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm telling you, bro, it's live out here. God damn. Yeah.
Let me get that beer.
This Jeep hard. Damn. God damn. That shit hard. Yes, sir. Ooh. Damn. Look how wide that mug is. Yes, sir. This Denali clean as a bitch. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at a big boy. Damn. Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Damn, boy, look at this. OBS. Yes, sir. Yeah, I got the big boys. Yes, sir. Look at that F-150. That shit hard. Ah, damn. Oh. Yes, sir. The boy's getting it. They're whipping that thing, boy. Yes, sir. God damn, that shit crush him, boy. They all crush him. God damn. Sheesh. Damn. Sheesh. Got the hard truck. 04 truck. Damn. I always wanted to see this motherfucker. This shit hard. God damn. That shit dumb hard. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna lie, I like this Denali right here. This shit clean. Shit real clean. It's leveled. Damn. Them wheels go hard. Oh, these forces, hell yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, whip that bitch, baby. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. 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 Eat that shit. Yes, sir. God damn, boy. I'm telling you, bro, we young stunners out here. We just out here killing them with these, boy. Whew, boy, it's live, baby. Live. There's a fight going on. Okay. Okay, okay. Stepping in mud. Damn. Apparently somebody hit this Mustang and they're trying to shut us down. It's crazy, bro. Somebody hit a Mustang and they trying to shut us down, so I don't know what's going on, dude, but this thing is so lit. Yo. Yeah, spin that bitch, yo. About to be a fight, baby. About to be a fight, baby. Yeah. 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 Skirt. Hold up, bruh. Yes, sir. Yeah. Throw hands. Throw hands. Go ahead. that ain't really about it. Let me just tell you, this meet was sick, well worth it. We're loading up now, we're about to head home. So you know what to do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to support your boy or support the channel, go cop some merch. Link will be down in the description below. I'm out. Peace.